Hi everyone, this is Varsha. Welcome to my channel. In this video, let's continue with Python collections. Python has four collection data types. They are list, tuple, set and dictionary. In my previous video, I've already explained list and tuple. If you have not watched my previous video, I suggest you to watch that first. So now let's begin sets in Python. Set is a collection of unique elements, means no duplicates are allowed. To give example, say I want to create set and if I insert any value more than once, say I inserted 5 three times, it allows. But when I print set, this 5 is present only one time because it eliminates duplicates. Though you insert 3 times, it is present one time. That means it has eliminated duplicates. So set is a collection of unique elements. It does not contain duplicates. Second point, set is unordered. Unordered means in what order we insert values, that order will not be same. Say I inserted 1 first, then I inserted 2, then I inserted 3. And when I print it, it might not be in this order itself. It might be and it might not be. So it will change. It might be 3, 2, 1 or 2, 1, 3. And sometimes it will be same order 1, 2, 3. But this will keep on changing. So set is unordered. Since it is unordered, it is unindexed. Because we don't know what value will be at what index. As it keep on changing, so it is unindexed. It is iterable. Next point is very important, that set elements is immutable, but set itself is mutable. See, try to understand. Set elements means the value that is present inside set, the values that we have inserted. Say I inserted 1, I inserted 2, I inserted 3. So this value which I inserted and created set, that values will not be changing. Whereas on this existing set, I created set with 3 elements. 1, 2, 3 is present in my set now. But I want to add few more elements. I can do it. So set elements is immutable, means the values that is present, that I can't change. 1 I can't change to any other, 2 I can't change to other. But on this existing set, I can add few more values. So set is mutable, but set elements is immutable. Next, same like list and tuple, it can also hold the values of different data types. And if you want to know the internal working of set, it is actually based on data structure known as hash table. This concept I will teach you in my data structure videos. Next, how to create set. To create set, we use curly brackets like this. Inside this curly bracket, we can put all the values that we want to insert. And when I print, this is what we get. Next question is, can we access the elements present inside the set using index like we do in list and tuple? We cannot, because set is unordered. The values will keep on changing its position and it has no index. So we cannot access the elements based on index. How to create set? To create set, first I should tell set name. And in curly bracket, I have to insert values. And we know that set can hold values of different data types. So I will insert string, number, etc. And to print set, I just have to tell set name. So if I tell set name, which is set 1, I will get the values. And now you can observe, first I inserted Raj, then I inserted 7, then I inserted 7.0. But when I print set 1, I am getting 7 first, then I am getting Raj. So in what order I inserted, same order I am not getting. So this shows set is unordered. And one more point, I inserted 3 values, that is Raj, 7 and 7.0. But I am getting only two values. It's because 7 and 7.0 is same, which is 7. So when duplicates are there, it will eliminate it. So if 2 times values are present, it will just present only 1 time. So it has eliminated. Next point. Now can I access the elements present in set using index? So if I tell set 1, what is present at index 0, I want you to print. I will get error because we know set is unordered, it has no index, so we cannot access the elements based on index. Also, we cannot change the values. If I want to insert new value, say I want to insert good. This is also not possible because set object does not support item assignment. Set is immutable. Set elements is immutable. So this is important. But set is mutable, but set elements is immutable. So the value present at 0th index, we don't know what is present. It may be 7 or it may be Raj. Whatever value it is, if I try to change it to good, it will not happen because set elements are immutable. But set is mutable. So set 1 dot add, I want to add some elements, say I will add 8. So this is inbuilt method add. So this is allowed. Now if I print set 1, see I got 8. Next concept is frozen set. See, we know that set is mutable. Set elements are immutable, but set is mutable because on existing set we can add elements. We can delete. So frozen set is immutable version of Python set object. So while set can be modified at any time, frozen set remains same after creation. So frozen set is immutable version of Python set object, but how set is unordered, even frozen set is unordered. And syntax of frozen set is like this: frozen set, and argument that it takes is iterable, and iterable can be set, it can be tuple, it can be dictionary. We know that frozen set is immutable. Now first I have created normal set, and you can see that in what order I have inserted, it is not printing in same order. So it is unordered. And now let me create frozen set, and we know frozen set will accept one argument, and that is iterable. And iterable can be list, it can be tuple, it can be set. Now first let me pass list. Now if I print S2, you can see that even frozen set is unordered. In what order I inserted was 196, but it is printing 169. So even frozen set is unordered. Normal set is also unordered. But the difference is, if I want to add some elements in normal set, I can do it. So I want to add 7, or 7 is already there, so I'll add 77. And now if I print S1, see, it has added 77. But for frozen set, if I try to add some value, it will not accept. We will get error. And here we have passed list. We can pass even set. Instead of list, I will pass set S1. S1 is set. So even that is accepted. And now on S1 I can add. But for S2, if I try to add 90 or any values, it will not accept, it will give error. So frozen set is immutable, whereas normal set is mutable. But both frozen set and normal set is unordered. Set methods. Set is a built-in data type in Python which comes with various built-in methods using which we can perform various operations. Say, if I want to add elements in set, we have add method, we have update method. If I want to add only one element to a set, we will use add method. If we want to add more than one element, then we will use update method. Now I've already showed using add method how to add one element to a set. But if I want to add more than one elements, or if I want to add elements present in one set to another set, then we will use update method. First I will create two sets. Say in set 2, I will add some elements. And in set 3, in set 4, I will add some elements. Now, whatever element is present in set 3, I want it to be in set 4. So, I will use update method. Set 4 dot update. So whatever element is present in set 3, I want to be in set 4. So I should tell set 4 dot update, and you have to pass set 3. And now if I print set 4, you can see it has all the elements which is present in set 3 also. So this is how update method works. Remove elements from set, we have various methods, say remove, discard, pop, clear, del method. If I want to remove any particular element, we can use remove or discard method. But when we use remove method and if we try to remove an element which is not present, then remove method will raise an error. Whereas discard method will not raise an error. So that is the only difference between remove method and discard method. Both methods are used to remove an element, but if we try to remove element which is not present in set, then remove method will raise error, but discard method will not raise error. Next, pop method. Pop method is used to remove last element. But we don't know which element is removed because set is unordered. The values keeps on changing. So last element will be removed, but what is that value, that we will not know. Clear method. Clear method will empty the set. Say you created set 1 and you inserted 1, 2, 3. And it will clear. If you cleared set 1, it will remove all the elements 1, 2, 3. But set will be present. Set 1 will be there, but elements will not be there. But if we use delete method, it will delete the set itself. The complete set will be deleted. First, I will create one set. Say set 9, and I will insert some values in it. And using remove method, I can remove element. Say I will remove 7. So I will pass 7 as argument. And now if I print set 9, 7 won't be present. Similarly, I can use discard method to remove element. So now I will remove 6. So set 9 dot discard, and now if I print set 9, you can see 6 won't be present. So both remove method and discard method will remove the element, but If we try to remove element which is not present, then remove method will raise an error. See, set9 dot remove. I will try to remove 88. This value 88 is not present. So I will get error. But if I do same, if I try to remove value which is not present using discard method, then I will not get error. See, I won't get error. So this is the difference between discard method and remove method. Both will remove element, but if we try to remove element which is not present in the set, then remove method will raise an error, but discard method will not raise an error. Next we have pop method. See, in set 9 we have 5 and 8. So let me add few more elements. Set9 dot add, and I will add one more element. Now if I use pop will remove the value present at last position. But we really don't know which element will be at last position because set is unordered. The values will keep on changing. So if I tell set9 dot pop, it will remove value at last position, but we really don't know what value will be at last position. Okay, now moving ahead, we have what? Clear method. What clear method will do is it will clear the set. It will not delete the set, it will clear the set. Means the values present inside the set will be cleared. So now if I tell in set 9 we have two values. See, I'll print first. We have two values. Now if I tell set 9 dot clear, then it will clear set 9, and if I print set 9, we will get empty set. But if I use delete or del, whatever you want, you can call del method, then it will delete the set itself. The complete set is deleted. But for del method, you can't tell set9 dot del. You have to first tell del, then you have to tell the set name, which is set9. So it will delete the set. Now if I try to print set9, we will get error because it has deleted. Name set9 is not defined. Next, if I want to join two sets, we have union method and update method. Union method will return new set which will contain elements present in both sets. Say I have set 1, in that elements are 1, 2 and set 2 as element 2, 3. New set will have element 1, 2, 3. Though 2 is present in both set 1 and set 2, in new set it will not be present two times because we know set will have unique elements, it will not allow duplicate. So it will eliminate duplicate and it will put value only one time. Next, update method. We already saw update method. That update method is used if I want to insert more than one item. So if I want to insert items of one set into another set, then we will use update method. Then we have set method. This set method we can use to create set. To create set we use curly brackets and inside that we will insert values. So we can also use built-in set method set, using which we can create set. Next we have intersection method. So using intersection method, we can print elements which is present in both sets. Say in set 1 we have 1, 2 and in set 2 we have 2, 3. So in both sets 2 is present. So it will print 2. Then we have difference method which will find the difference between two sets. Next, union method. I have created U1 set and U2 set. Now union set will return new set. Say here u3, it will return. First I should tell set1 name, which is u1, then union, and I have to pass set2, which is u2 here. Now if I print u3, you can see u3 contains all the elements present in set1 and set2. So u3 will return a set, new set, which will have the elements present in both the set. So here u1 as 16794, u2 as 6879. From both the set elements, it will be contained in u3. Next is update method. Update method I have already discussed. Update method is used to add the elements present in one method to another method. Next is set method. Set method will create set. So set method is used to create set. So now I can pass values. You can see 6 I have added 2 times, but it has removed 6 because set will not allow duplicates. Next we have intersection method. Intersection method will return the elements which is present in both sets. See, in u1 we have 16794 and in u2 we have 6879. Elements present in both sets are 6, 7 and 4. So it will return 6. Next we have intersection method. Intersection method will return the elements which is present in both sets. Say here in u1 we have 16794 and in u2 we have 6874. So elements present in both sets are 6, 7 and 9. So now if I tell u1 dot intersection and pass u2, see we got 6, 7, 9. So 6, 7, 9 are the elements which is present in both sets. Next method is difference. So if I tell u1 dot difference, u2, then it will return the difference between two sets. So these are the built-in set methods which I wanted to discuss. So this was my video on set. If you like my video, do like and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you.